How to fix Samsung Galaxy Store not working. If any day any of you are the Samsung Galaxy user and your Samsung Galaxy Store is not working and so you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Samsung Galaxy Store there. After you search Samsung Galaxy Store, you have to find the very Samsung Galaxy Store and then you can see the application of Galaxy Store there. Now you have to tap on the very application and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of notifications and then tap on notification. Here you have to tap on the option of allow sound and vibration and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to the notifications, phone and the contacts as well by tapping on allow like this. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default and tap on set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you can see the option of storage. You have to tap on storage, and if you see any of the cache out there, you can go to the option of clear the cache. You can also do the option of clear down the data and then go back again. After that, now you have to go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you have to wait for a while until the very application will be open in the Google Play Store out there, and after the very application will be Google Play Store. After you wait for a while, because sometimes that may be the problem of your very mobile device out there, you can update the very application or the store out there, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.